Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
So I'm going to be breaking down portions of the YouTube Studio Creator Classic. It's not Studio Beta. A lot of people are still using the Classic version that looks like this. Eventually this Studio, according to YouTube, will be phased out. If you are watching this and the Classic Studio is phased out, it's not because this course is outdated. I'm updating you and actually doing the Beta Studio and continuing to always update this course, but there's still really relevant information in here, so whether you use Studio Classic or not, you're going to want to watch this. The first thing on our list is watch time, and yes, it's basic information, but I need to delve into explain the nuances of watch time, because for those of you that don't get it, it's extremely important. Watch time is what's going to calculate most of your success on YouTube. YouTube wants to become like a television station. They want people to be able to tune in and watch for extended periods of time because they can put more ads in longer videos. So the more watch time you get, the more you're going to get promoted through YouTube. So this should be your #1 baseline for trying to grow this every single month. If you're getting watch time in 28 days and it's not just you watching, incredible. 62,000 minutes is great. My goal for the next few months is trying to obtain, 100,000. That's a little bit hard for me right now, but I'm pumping out a lot of videos and I'm doing my part. I have comments you see 1 hour ago, 35 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago. I'm getting engagement, but I'm doing a really niche topic here. So it's time for me to begin branching out is when I'm going to see rapid growth. But watch time. This should be the #1 baseline of how much you're growing on YouTube. Watch it every month. Those are my 2 takeaways from this video. Also, you can delve into watch time and you can see how you're growing over a long period of time. I'd say if you're getting over 10,000 watch time, you are going to grow indefinitely no matter what. That means the snowball has been going. If you're at over 5,000 watch time in the last 28 days, the snowball is definitely going. So just keep doing what you're doing. And as you can see, over time, the watch time is growing. So about 477,000 minutes, I'm starting to gain more watch time, as you can see. Each day, people are watching 2 days and 2 hours of my content, which is great, because just last year, I wasn't even hitting a day. So that's what you want to look for, extend this chart out, and that's why it's important. The next thing we're going to be looking at is views. How many views are you getting in 28 days? So if you're getting over 1,000 views, incredible, the snowball is going. Like I said, even if you're getting 100 views, this is good. You just want to see how this is progressing over, the past 28 days, the past month. Load those analytics and look at these. And some things I want you to pay attention to in your views is trying to cross thresholds. So have goals. Like I said, video goals. You should also set watch time goals. You should set view goals. How many views do you want a month? Ideally for me, I'd be super happy at 100,000 views a month. For watch time over 100,000, again, I'd be super happy. So go into your videos and see which are getting the most views. Like I said, Halifax is getting a lot of views. So to get more subscribers, look at those analytics and make more videos about Halifax. And even that vlog that I showed you earlier, it has the word Halifax in it, which is why it's ranking so well. So these are easy views over the past 28 days. Some videos get more, some videos get less. But again, the most important factor is watch time. As you can see, this is ranking as a, higher video only with 214 views. And the reason for that is because I have more watch time. So your watch time is way more important than your views, to be honest. Try to get as much watch time as you possibly can. Yeah, I promise you, it will pay off.
Subscribers are the best way to track your consistent growth, because this is how much you're growing by every single month. I'm gaining around 294, sometimes 310 subscribers a month, which is pretty decent for me. I want to be gaining about 1,000. I think 1,000 is good. It's a good, safe place. But here I am right now. So what I want you to take away from this is set milestones. Like, what do you want to achieve? And then try to set video milestones. You want 400, 500 videos, 600 videos, 1,000 videos, and this will all feed into boosting these things. Once these are going, you can focus on building this content to make it better quality, and then you're going to keep growing. But let's delve into our subscribers and see how we can grow them. Again, saying subscribe at the beginning of each video is going to help you gain more subscribers. It's natural that you're going to lose some subscribers. As you can see, I've been changing my content a lot. I'm gaining a lot of subscribers and also losing subscribers. But what's super important here is how fast I'm gaining. It's outpacing the subscribers lost. And there was a YouTube purge recently which affected a lot of large YouTubers. I'm a smaller YouTuber. I never had a day where I dropped subscribers. I broke even or gained subscribers. So this is pretty good. Again, you want to try not to lose subscribers, but I'm always breaking even or gaining more subscribers as the month go by. If I lost none, wow, I'd be really banking. But, do your best to try to maintain those subscribers. Don't change your content too much. And yeah, do what you can to boost your subscribers. Say subscribe at the beginning of every video. We'll get into more tips and tricks later, but always bring this up and see how many you're losing. This is an important thing to track. Actually click on lost and see where you've lost subscribers. So the watch page is where a lot of people unsubscribe. Your YouTube channel, the YouTube watch page. So I'm gaining a lot of subscribers through these videos. But again, people can unsubscribe after they watch a video they may not like. Let's keep moving on and talk about how to gain more subscribers and grow your channel.
Revenue. Everyone wants to know how to make money on YouTube, so let's delve into our revenue. What's gonna get you the most revenue is people interacting with your advertisements. YouTube's will take half of the cut, you'll get the other half of the cut, and here it is. This is your revenue over, a period of a few days. I make about $1 a day or less. Some days I make $2, so I don't make a whole load of money. I'm not trying to really bank off of YouTube and make tons of cash. What I'm trying to do is produce as much content as possible. And as you can see, although I was producing a lot of content, and even in the last few days, I had a bit of a dip here, which is an indication I need to change things up a little bit. See, that producing a lot of the same content is excellent, because you're going to be able to build a body of work and bring more subscribers in. But for your main subscriber base, you still want to, like I said, phase out of doing that, because you want to produce content that's going to keep them watching. So I need to bounce back for a couple days, and start producing more hero content. So I want you to actually look at your revenue. Your revenue is an indication of how much people are watching and interacting. So try your best. Again, I'm growing. It goes up and it goes down. It's not linear, but over $100. If you want to see exactly how much you're making, all you have to do is go to AdSense. Go to Google, type in AdSense, AdSense, S-E-N-S-E, not like cents, like pennies, but cents. And then log in with your YouTube channel, and you can see exactly how much you're making and link your bank account there. If you have any questions about that, again, in the discussion section. I don't want to open my AdSense right now. It's kind of personal information, but if you need to see that or you need help, I will make a video. I will help you. That's what I'm here for. So delve into your analytics, look at your revenue. One thing, you're not going to be making revenue now unless you're monetized. You need 4,000 watch minutes, I believe, in the past year or so, and you need over 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to get you to that point. You can make a lot more money off of other platforms, other than YouTube. This should not be. I'm gonna make tons of money with this unless you're super talented, and you have experience growing audiences. But over time, in the next like year or two, I might be making $500, a month off YouTube. So that's the goal. It helps bring an extra bit of revenue. And check it out. Ask me questions about it. Open the discussion.